The tale begins with an introduction to the formidable power lying dormant beneath our feet. The narrator enlightens us on how these seismic shifts not only transform landscapes, but also leave deep imprints on human civilization. Underground, immense slabs of rock, known as tectonic plates, float atop the semi-solid mantle. Over time, as these tectonic plates are nudged by the mantle's currents, tension builds along faults. This tension causes rocks to fracture, leading to a sudden release of energy we recognize as an earthquake. A finely tuned seismograph needle dances delicately. Each step upwards on the bar graph marks a significant leap in the energy of earthquakes. Tectonic earthquakes occur as Earth's plates grind and slip past each other. Next, volcanic earthquakes arise with the force of magma pushing upwards. Finally, induced earthquakes are a result of human activities, such as mining operations that disrupt the ground. Behold the Pacific Ring of Fire, marked by a series of dots on the globe. Frequent earthquakes manifest as flashes, underscoring our planet's geological unrest. Animated buildings quiver as they crumble into debris. Roads fracture with visible cracks, testimony to the quake's might. A tidal wave engulfs the city and flames follow, consuming all in their path. Here you see the pinnacle of engineering structures designed to stand firm in the face of the Earth's mightiest shakes. Now observe the state-of-the-art early warning system, ready to alert citizens well before tremors hit. Lastly, the indispensable emergency kit, complemented by communal education on safety measures, knowledge that saves lives. In 1906, the city of San Francisco woke to a devastating earthquake. Shifting to 1960, Chile experienced the most powerful earthquake ever recorded. Lastly, the 2011 earthquake in Japan triggered a massive tsunami, leading to a nuclear crisis.